All right, guys, we're rolling. My name is Rich. I'll be your pilot today. I'm going to go ahead and call the tower, get permission to take off, and then we're just going to blast on out of here. And Myrtle Tower, Myrtle 3 is east with Mike.
Myrtle 3, Myrtle Tower, push the seat back.
Seat back, 3. All right, guys, you ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Let's get on out of here.
All right, here we go.
And we're gone. We're doing left. Here we go, guys, right up to that top floor.
Oh, you Lord.
All right, guys. So we're going to go right by Myrtle Beach International Airport, which is right off to the left. And as we climb up to 1,200 feet, we're going to make our way out to that beautiful Grand Strand Beach. All right, we're passing over actually the Whispering Pines Golf Course. It was the officers' golf course at Myrtle Beach International when it was an Air Force base. Okay, guys, so there's 1,000 feet, and we are just creeping over that sand. And now we're just going to make a left-hand turn right up to the northeast and get settled into our cruising altitude of 1,200 feet. Alrighty, guys, next we're going to go by Family Kingdom Amusement Park. And as we cruise by Family Kingdom Amusement Park, we're going to go right up to Pier on 2nd, which is basically the beginning of the boardwalk, which will take you all the way up to and past the Skywheel to Pier 14.
Gotcha.
All right. All right, guys, going to make our turn right here at that Skywheel and come 180 degrees down to the southwest. Sky 180. Here we go, guys. We're going to pull a little power and come on around the corner. When we finish this turn, we'll still be at 1,200 feet. We'll be approximately a quarter mile offshore. And we'll finally be pointing down to the southwest, and you'll be able to look right down the beach and see all the way down to where it begins in Myrtle's Inlet. It's that little point of land sticking out to the Atlantic, and then it goes 35 miles up to the northeast, where it terminates right at the Little River Inlet, which is right at the North Carolina border. You can see all of Myrtle Beach International Airport. From the end of the green to the end of the green, guys, is about 2 miles, just to give you an idea of distance, okay?
Wow.
Okay, guys, let's go ahead and start our descent. We're almost a mile from the pier here. A mile east for 3. Now let's go ahead and dump out that power. Here we go.
Stop.
Yeah, look right over there.
Yeah.
I think that's a boat or a jet ski.
That one right out there?
Yeah.
Yep, that's a boat.
Sure, 612 Echo Zulu.
Here's 612 Echo Zulu, Myrtle Tower.
All right, here we go. Right on around the corner here, guys.
For the visual 3.
All right, let's go ahead and just roll right on across the, this is the Aero Club golf course.
Monitoring ground point 3.
And we're just going to slow right on down and get you guys back down to that pad.
Myrtle Tower, good afternoon. Adventure 20.
And let's just go ahead and slide right on around that corner here.
Adventure 20.
All right, we're down, guys. Thanks for coming out.
Alright guys, I just got off the helicopter. It was so much amazing. I dragged my dad with me. I even forced him to come on with me. And we got to see the whole ocean, the golf course, Ferris wheel, boats. Please like, subscribe, and also comment down below if you think who was scared, me or my dad. Peace.